Alright, looks like I'm about ready to fly. Got the mouse, got the keyboard, got my aeronautical chart, and my coffee. Got the rudder pedals, alpha yoke, throttle quadrants, Logitech 2 radios, 1 multi-panel, and favorite part, Altimeter Motives. You can do things like change this with the button, put it back on the temperature for now. You can select for timing, for go-arounds and missed approaches, things like that. You got your airspeed here, and this is adjustable. I believe the artificial horizon is just a dummy. Usually that would go up and down for pilot position, but obviously I think that's just on the TV, so you know, the monitor behind there, you can't do anything about that. Altimeter, got that squared away now. Right back here at about 1,100 feet. VOR1, VOR2, the ADF. Everything looks like it's ready to go. I'm at my local airport, and I will try to film this as I'm holding my little iPhone. And speed is live, and off we go. Oh yeah, I have a homemade glare shield I put on there. It's got a little tubular cable organizer on the front, and the rest is just a 1/4-inch ply that's got kerf cuts down here to get the plywood to bend, so there's kerf cuts in there. And then I just covered it with foam, a sheet of foam, and then vinyl covering. So that's it. And we are up and moving around. We are good to go. So there you go. You have an idea of what we're looking at. That's my local frequency. No tower at my airport. And then I've got Lost Nation up near Cleveland, Asheville area. So I've got that on standby for my frequencies down there, and that might be where I'm going today. So just wanted to show you my Altimeter motive panel, and everything's working fine. So hope you like this. Take care. Have a good day.